Good morning, fam. Coach Nate here. You're here, and that means you've already taken the first step toward feeling strong, mobile, and powerful today. You woke up stiff, maybe your lower back is tight, your hips feel locked, and your energy is low. But in the next 90 seconds, we're going to unlock your spine, fire up your core, and release deep tension so you feel unstoppable. Most people ignore their hip flexors and core, and that's exactly why they feel sluggish all day. But today, we're fixing that in just 5 minutes. One of these moves will instantly improve your posture, but only if you do it right. The last move is one most people overlook, but it's the key to unlocking hip mobility. Your hips and core are craving movement, and one simple tweak makes this routine 10 times more effective. I'll show you in a second. If you're always waking up stiff, this routine is going to change your entire day. Let's hit the mat. If you want a strong core and a pain-free lower back, this is your move. Start on all fours, hands on the shoulders, knees on the hips. Extend your right arm and left leg straight out, keeping your core engaged. Hold for a second, then return to starting position. Repeat smoothly, keeping your movements controlled. I promise this move will fire up your deep core muscles, improve balance, and strengthen your lower back. Beginners, keep your toes touching the floor for extra balance. Advanced stretches, hold each rep for 3 seconds for an extra challenge. If you feel wobbly, focus on keeping your core tight. That's the secret. Now, let's switch sides to balance things out. A strong core isn't just about looking good. It's about moving pain-free every single day. Extend your left arm and right leg straight out. Keep your hips square and your movement slow. Engage your core, keeping your lower back stable. I promise this move will protect your spine, improve posture, and increase total body coordination. Beginners, tap your fingers and toes to the floor for more support. Advanced stretches, add a pause at the top for extra core activation. Are you keeping your core tight? If not, that's why this feels harder than it should. Now that your core is fired up, let's add some dynamic movement with the high knee hip rotation. This is the move that is going to wake up your hip flexors, improve balance, and prevent tightness throughout the day. Stand tall, engage your core, and lift your right knee towards your chest. Rotate your knee outward, then bring it back down. Switch legs and repeat, flowing from side to side. I promise this move will increase hip mobility, improve coordination, and prevent injuries. Beginners, hold on to a wall for balance. Advanced stretches speed up the movement and keep your core tight. Are you keeping your movements controlled? This is about activation, not speed. Now, let's hit a deep stretch with a low lunge twist. This is one of the best stretches for unlocking your hips and mobilizing your spine. Step your right foot forward into a deep lunge, keep your back leg extended and plant your left hand on the mat. Reach your right arm toward the sky, twisting through your spine. I promise this move will improve mobility and reduce lower back stiffness. Beginners, keep your back knee on the floor for support. Advanced stretches deepen the twist by reaching back further. Can you reach just a little higher? That's where the magic happens. Let's switch sides and balance it out. We can't leave the other side behind. Let's open up that left hip and spine. Step your left foot forward into a deep lunge. Plant your right hand on the mat, twisting your torso left. Reach your left arm toward the sky and hold. I promise this move will reset your posture, loosen tight hips, and make every movement today feel easier. Beginners, keep the back knee on the mat for stability. Advanced stretches, try reaching your arm behind your back for a deeper stretch. Final move. Hold the twist for just 5 more seconds. Feel that deep release. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.